my page. Today I'm going to do a Mielle unboxing video. So she just had a sale of $7 sale. So I ordered some of my favorite products, and I even got 2 new products that I wanted to try because I use the same products. Like, I don't know why I use the same products every time. I don't know why I even got this butter knife. I didn't want to get a butcher knife and look like Jason up here. So let's see what we got. Okay, so we got the pre-shampoo treatment. I love the pre-shampoo treatment because I'm always wearing braids or protective styles. So this like breaks up all the products in your hair before you wash it. So I bought 2 of those because I use that a lot. I used also the rosemary mint oil. I already got one of these, but I finished my other bottle that was brand new, so I bought another bottle because, yeah, baby, who ain't gonna catch a sale? Who ain't gonna catch a sale? I already used the Babasu shampoo, and I also got the conditioner. These are products that I already use. The new products that I tried this time, wait, I lied. I also got the hydrating conditioner. I already used this as well. I rotate between these 2 conditioners, just kind of depends how I feel. Most of the time when I'm doing like a silk press, I use this conditioner when I'm having a silk press, and then when I'm coming from protective styles, I use the hydrating, so your hair can be moisture and dry. Because you know, sometimes you have your braids up or your twist up too long, your hair be like dry if you don't take care of it during your protective styles. Okay, so now on the new items. I wanted to try these for a long time, but I didn't. I don't even know why. It's the rosemary mint strengthening shampoo and conditioner. Oh, the conditioner says new. I didn't even know this was new. But I do have these 2 products to try. I may wash my braids with these just to see how I like them and how they work. Okay, I also got the Maximum Hold Gel Styler. So when I wear my real hair, which is rare, besides when I'm having a silk press, I'm trying to do other little hairstyles. So I thought about buying some gel. So I bought this little Maximum Hold Gel. Because my hair is 4C, it is hard to get my hair to slick down. So I use like the same products on my edges and my hair. Another one I got is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I try to do a hair mask to my hair every time I take out a protective style, or I do a deep conditioner. So it's just gonna be summertime, protective styles all summer. So I'm gonna do this little hair mask as well. And then the last product I got is the Curl Refreshing Spray. I really got this because it's anti-frizz. Being a natural hair girl, your hair frizz up real easy. Like, my natural hair cannot really hold a lot of styles. That's why I wear braids and protective styles all the time. Because when I have my silk press probably lasts a good, like, I'll say 4 to 5 weeks if I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. If I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do, it's like a good 3. So with my natural hair, I'm gonna try to do more like curly girl hairstyles, curly friendly hairstyles with my natural real hair. It may not go that well, but we'll see. So that is all that I got. I'll put all my products back up here. Her delivery is off the chain. It got here in like 2 days. So I was excited about that. It didn't take that long to get here at all. So these are all the products that I have from her. As you can see, I love Mielle Organics a lot. I mean, Mielle Organics. I always say her name wrong. I don't know why I be saying Mielle. I'm so sorry. But it's Mielle Organics. But I really love her products. If you are a natural hair person, I would definitely say look into her products. If you have dry hair, I would say look into her products. If you have 4C hair, I would definitely say look into her products. Black people hair in general, just look into her products. I'm not sure if her products is safe for white people hair, because it's a lot of different like ingredients. But like, for instance, it says like for dry and curly hair, so it just kind of depends on your hair texture and what works for you. I always try to support small and black business, growing business, and I always try to support people in their business. So it is what it is. And plus, once I like something, I'm not switching up. So me and her locked in. This is not even like a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid for this. I bought all these products myself, my own money. So it's not like somebody's paying me to do this. This is all my own, you know, reviews. So I just wanted to share this with y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Be sure to comment, subscribe. And if y'all got videos y'all want me to do, please let me know, because I have like 4 videos I'm in the process of editing that I have to post. I'm trying to keep up with the content. I know I say that every video, but I promise I'm trying to keep up with the content, okay? But be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for tuning into my video. I really appreciate you all for watching my videos, because y'all don't have to.